हम जब विंटर की बात कर रहे होते हैं एंड प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ एयर पोल्यूशन दिल्ली एनसीआर रीजन, one important factor that comes into a lot of discussion is the problem of air inversion. इसको हम temperature inversion भी बोलते हैं. So this quick video on what is inversion, a very important geographic phenomena that impacts the air circulation. Generally क्या होता है, the lower parts of atmosphere are warmer and as we go higher above, it becomes cooler. जो नीचे का एयर है वो थोड़ा गर्म होता है because it takes heat from the parts of the surface and as I rise up it becomes a bit more cooler and this trend of falling temperature को हम बोलते हैं लैप्स रेट. ये अलग अलग कंसेप्ट्स हैं. नॉर्मल लैप्स रेट है, इन्वायरमेंटल लैप्स रेट है, but in general the lapse rate means the rate at which the air starts cooling with height. ये जो लैप्स रेट है ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट मैकेनिज्म है हाउ एयर सर्कुलेट्स. बिकॉज जब नीचे का एयर गर्म होता है, वार्म एयर expands, warm air becomes lighter and the warm air starts rising through the atmosphere. So as long as नीचे का air warm है और ऊपर के air cool है, the air can start rising and this rising air creates all the phenomena of clouds, rainfall, it creates patterns of circulation. ये rising air एक बहुत अहम part है in air circulations. But what happens in winters खासकर, the surface, जो ground है, roads है, surface है, field है, the surface becomes cold. The surface becomes very very cold in temperate regions, in the mid latitudes, or even winters में in tropical areas also. तो जब surface cold हो जाता है, जो air surface के contact में है, जो lower air है, that also starts getting cooler. Generally क्या होता है? Lower part is warmer. As we rise up, it becomes cooler. But because surface of the earth is very very cold winters में, this cold surface makes the lower air also cooler. So rather than having warm air in the lower layers, now you start having cold air in the lower layers. और जब air cold हो जाता है, ये rise नहीं कर पाता है. The cold air does not rise up and therefore जो vertical rise in circulation है वो inhibit हो जाती है. इसी को बोलते हैं air inversion. इसीलिए आप जब सुन रहे हैं दिल्ली एनसीआर के problems of pollution में, ये winters में ज़्यादा severe हो जाता है. Apart from the fact that winters में अलग issues भी हैं, like stubble burning problems हैं, but ये जो inversion of temperature है, where the lower air is now cooler than the air in the higher heights, this inversion inhibits the vertical movement of air and therefore the pollutants also get trapped.